Are you waking up every morning with stiffness in your joints, back pain, or that constant feeling of fatigue that just won't go away? Do you ever wonder if there's a simple, natural way to feel younger, stronger, and more energetic without expensive medications or complicated gym routines? If you're over 50, 60, or even 70, and you want to reclaim your health, mobility, and independence, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 daily movements that every senior should do for a healthy, active life. These are not just ordinary exercises. They are simple, science-backed movements that can be done at home without any special equipment, and they take just a few minutes each day. Whether you're a senior yourself or you care for someone who is, these movements can make a world of difference in your daily comfort, strength, and overall well-being. So let's get started and take the first step towards a healthier, happier you. Let's begin with the first movement, neck rotations. As we age, our neck muscles can become stiff and tight, leading to headaches, dizziness, and even balance problems. To perform neck rotations, simply sit or stand up straight, relax your shoulders, and slowly turn your head to the right as far as is comfortable. Hold for a moment, then gently turn to the left. Repeat this movement 5 times on each side. This simple exercise helps to keep your neck flexible, improves blood flow to your brain, and can even help reduce the risk of falls by improving your balance and spatial awareness. Remember, never force the movement. Gentle and slow is the key. If you feel any pain, stop immediately and consult your doctor. Many seniors ignore neck flexibility, but it's crucial for daily activities like driving, reading, or even just looking around the room. If you spend a lot of time watching TV or using a phone, neck rotations can help relieve that built-up tension. Try to do this movement in the morning and before bed for best results. Next, we have shoulder rolls. Many seniors experience shoulder pain or stiffness, especially if they spend a lot of time sitting or using their arms for daily tasks. Shoulder rolls are a fantastic way to loosen up those tight muscles and improve your posture. To do this movement, sit or stand with your arms relaxed at your sides. Slowly lift your shoulders up towards your ears, then roll them back and down in a circular motion. Repeat this 10 times, then reverse the direction and roll your shoulders forward 10 times. This movement not only relieves tension in your shoulders and upper back, but also helps to open up your chest, making it easier to breathe deeply and maintain good posture throughout the day. Good posture is essential for seniors because it helps prevent back pain and makes walking and standing much easier. If you feel a little crunching or popping, don't worry unless it's painful. It's just your joints getting lubricated. If you have arthritis or frozen shoulder, do this movement very gently and consult your doctor if you feel discomfort. The third movement is ankle circles. Our ankles play a crucial role in our balance and mobility, but they often get neglected. Weak or stiff ankles can increase the risk of trips and falls, which is a major concern for seniors. To perform ankle circles, sit comfortably in a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Lift one foot slightly off the ground and slowly rotate your ankle in a circular motion, first clockwise for 10 circles, then counterclockwise for 10 circles. Switch to the other foot and repeat. This simple exercise helps to strengthen the muscles and ligaments around your ankles, improves circulation, and keeps your feet and lower legs flexible. You can do this while watching TV, reading, or even during a phone call. No excuses. If you have swelling in your feet or ankles, this movement can help reduce it by improving blood flow. Just remember, if you have diabetes or any nerve issues, always check with your doctor before starting new exercises. Our 4th daily movement is seated marching. This is a wonderful exercise for improving leg strength, hip mobility, and overall cardiovascular health, all while being gentle on your joints. To do seated marching, sit upright in a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor. Lift your right knee as high as you comfortably can, then lower it back down and lift your left knee. Continue alternating legs in a marching motion for 1 to 2 minutes. If you want to make it a bit more challenging, swing your arms as you march. This movement not only strengthens your legs and hips, but also gets your heart pumping and helps maintain your coordination and balance. It is perfect for seniors who may have difficulty standing for long periods or who are just starting to build up their strength. If you feel tired, take a break, but try to increase your marching time a little every day. This movement is also great for improving digestion and keeping your energy levels up throughout the day. Finally, let's talk about deep breathing with arm raises. Breathing exercises are often overlooked, but they are incredibly important for seniors. Deep breathing helps to reduce stress, improve lung capacity, and increase oxygen flow to your muscles and brain. To combine deep breathing with gentle movement, sit or stand comfortably with your arms at your sides. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose while raising both arms out to the sides and up over your head. Hold your breath for a moment, then slowly exhale through your mouth as you lower your arms back down. Repeat this 5 to 10 times. This movement not only calms your mind and body, but also gently stretches your shoulders, chest, and back, helping you feel more relaxed and energized. If you ever feel anxious or short of breath, try this movement. It can help you feel centered and calm in just a few minutes. Bonus tip: if you want to take your daily routine to the next level, try combining these movements into a short morning or evening routine. You can even invite a friend or family member to join you. Exercising together is more fun and keeps you motivated. And remember, always listen to your body. If any movement causes pain, stop and consult your doctor. It's normal to feel a little sore when you start, but you should never feel sharp pain. Now, you might be thinking, can these simple movements really make a difference? The answer is a resounding yes. Countless studies have shown that regular, gentle movement is one of the most effective ways to maintain strength, flexibility, and independence as we age. These 5 daily movements are designed to target the areas that matter most for seniors: your neck, shoulders, ankles, legs, and lungs. By making them a part of your daily routine, you can reduce pain and stiffness, improve your balance and coordination, boost your energy, and even lift your mood. The best part: you don't need any fancy equipment, you don't need to go to a gym, and you can do them at your own pace, in the comfort of your own home. If you're just starting out, remember to listen to your body and go at your own speed. It's always a good idea to check with your doctor before beginning any new exercise routine, especially if you have any existing health conditions. Start with just a few repetitions of each movement and gradually increase as you feel more comfortable. Consistency is key. Try to do these movements every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Over time, you'll notice improvements in your flexibility, strength, and overall well-being. So, are you ready to take charge of your health and start feeling better every day? I challenge you to try these 5 daily movements for the next 7 days and see how you feel. And I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and let me know which movement you found most helpful, or if you have any questions or tips to share with our community. If you enjoyed this video and want more practical, easy to follow health tips for seniors, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to Senior Health Journey for more content just like this. Remember, your health is your greatest asset. Take care of it, and it will take care of you. Thank you so much for watching. Stay active, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.